Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A10e with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that phone used to here is not actually A10e, but for educational and demo purpose, this Samsung phone is used. So don't say that like that this phone is not A10 like E like that. Okay, let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A10e with any Android TV. Okay, first of all, make sure that your phone and TV is connected to a common Wi-Fi. So go to your phone and go to Wi-Fi section of your phone and see the Wi-Fi. Here today 5G Wi-Fi is used. The same Wi-Fi should be used in TV too for connection. Okay, so I go to TV in my phone and go to the settings of TV and go to network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi, and here too today 5G is used. Today 5G is used here, so common Wi-Fi is used. You can also use mobile hotspot from your phone, and the same mobile hotspot can be connected to your TV for easy connection. That is a common connection, and that will also work. Okay, so let's learn next step. Okay, now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search for Google Home app. This is the Google Home app. Just to open this Google Home app. Okay, so I have already done with this. So just I uninstall and show you a demo and install this Google Home app first. So after Wi-Fi connection, you have to install Google Home app from your phone. Okay, so go to Google Play Store and install Google Home app and open Google Home app, and then follow the on-screen instruction. Click on Get Started and click on Next. Give permissions and select the email ID here. The same email ID should be used. So what email ID you have used in your TV, that email ID should be selected here. So yes, this is the email ID I have used in my TV. I have selected it and click on Next. If you select any other email ID, it will not work. Okay, so make sure that you have same email ID you have selected for Google Home app and also in your TV. Okay, and go to Allow and give permissions and click on Skip here because location services is not actually needed. And here go to Devices and you will see the TV device here. This is the TV device, and just click on it and click on Cast My Screen and click on Cast Screen and click on Start Now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See, yes, it is mirrored. If you would like to adjust the volume, you can adjust here volume itself. You can also use your TV to remote button to adjust the volume. Okay, that's not the problem. And what you see in your TV, that's also seen in your phone and TV. The same screen will be visible. Okay, see. So here I open Facebook. That's also seen in my TV. So in this way, you can also do screen mirroring from your phone, Samsung Galaxy A10e with any Android TV. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.